Here we go, folks. This is a wonderful evening, lots of information. So my life has always included health and wellness and travel. These have always been my two passions. I was fortunate to work on a cruise ship for nearly 20 years and to travel to more than 200 countries, meeting people and learning the different cultures around the world. In 2004, after a life-changing accident that left me with visible and invisible disabilities, it also changed the lives of my family in an instant. I was no longer able to work again, let alone function the way I had before. Let's put it this way. Humpty Dumpty was in better shape after he fell off his wall than I was after the accident. But enough about me. You are all here this evening because someone cares about you a great deal and wants you to know about something we are very excited about. So let's start. Have you been looking for ways to supplement your income, maybe extra business opportunity, an extra stream of passive income? Have you been looking for ways to help others through philanthropy, through charity, causes that might be close to your heart, make positive changes in our world? Maybe you've tried direct sales, network marketing, MLMs, or other. Statistics show and are proven that a maximum of 3% have little to big success in any of the above mentioned, while 97% fail, sometimes a little and sometimes a lot in those same industries. Despite my best efforts, I was one of those in the 97% who did not succeed. Have you thought about, maybe even dreamt about, a company that could help you? It really does exist, and that's what we're going to tell you about this evening, starting right now. It's registered in the USA, it's licensed and legal in over 200 countries, with products used every day, that makes money for you while you sleep, provides time freedom and financial freedom and abundance. It's stress-free. It has over 773,000 people already in it as founders. It does all the work for you. It's 100% automated, 100% hands-free, is currently in pre-launch, has founders positions available, and it's called Onpassive. So what is Onpassive? This is a global internet technology company, i.e., an IT company that you may have heard about. It owns proprietary products, which means that Onpassive owns and created them. The products that are driven by most advanced artificial intelligence and machine learning technologies. Those are abbreviated, and abbreviations you may have seen, as AI and ML technologies. It is not an MLM. You do not have to recruit. It has a current value of approximately 5.5 billion US dollars, and founders are joining globally at a rate of about 2,000 per day. Artificial intelligence, AI, is already being used in products and industries and is expected to add another 16 trillion US dollars to the global economy over the next couple of years. The industries that have already been using AI for a little while include the automotive, the bioscience, creative services, the data, education, finance, gaming, and healthcare, just to name a few. And believe it or not, Siri and Alexa, while they are not actually AI themselves, they do use the systems of artificial intelligence to propel their learning abilities in your homes. And I just saw an advertisement, a TV commercial the other night from LG, Life Good products, that also have got artificial intelligence. Our CEO is Mr. Ash Mufareh. He's a graduate of MIT and attended Harvard. He has over 20 years online network marketing experience, a success story. He became disillusioned and really wanted to help others. So he created Onpassive, his privately owned company. He is the brains of Onpassive. He is a family man with integrity, honesty, and truth, who really wants to make a positive difference in this world. He has a huge smile and a very big heart, and he wants to turn poverty into prosperity and be the correction to the corruption. We have 2 head offices, one in Orlando, Florida, which is our executive headquarters, and the other one in high-tech city Hyderabad, India, also known as the Silicon Valley of India, with the best staff currently in support and technology industry. And this is where where the other tech giants are also located with some of their business offices as well. A full global team handling all aspects of corporate law in the over 200 countries we are in and are able to operate in and to be paid in. They also monitor the regional and global compliance issues as well. So what products do we have? Ocademy is one-of-a-kind application for learners of all ages and interests. OConnect is a hassle-free audio and video communication tool. We have OChat, a web chat engine to improve every customer interaction. OBless, some consider this one to be the heart of the company, where a community can support good causes and ideas with 100% of the funds donated, not holding back 15 to 30% for administration and other needs, like some of the companies do currently. Accounting will simplify your inventory and account management accounting needs, and OLead is an intuitive and scalable CRM application to generate leads, close deals, and grow your business. These are just a few of the more than 50 portfolios launching in 2021. There's a wide variety of reasons why people are becoming founders in Onpassive, and they include those who need financial help and assistance, those in poor countries and stricken by poverty, those who are well-educated professionals who are looking for that additional stream of income to create general wealth and generational wealth for their family and their grandchildren. We also have many extremely wealthy members who've joined Onpassive for their philanthropic causes, charities, and purposes, because every dollar donated to OBless is used for these. Instead, as I mentioned before, a smaller percentage with the other agencies that are currently working in those fields. So who can benefit by joining now? We have individuals and family members, businesses of all sizes, influencers, restaurants, stores, both physical and online, churches and charities, and those individuals and businesses that need help, especially post-pandemic, which has devastated the business and economic world in so many areas and so many industries around the world. So as you can see, Onpassive really is for everyone, with a complete digital online solution. And here's another very exciting reason to join us. Onpassive will drive targeted traffic to your business, be it physical or online, all done for you, 100% hands-free, other than setting it up in your back office when it's time to do so. So as a recap, we have an acronym for you. C is for the complete digital online solution. A is for the artificial intelligence. T for targeted traffic. M for money, which becomes time freedom, abundance living, and helping others. And O for Onpassive, the residual income and generational wealth, all done for you, plug-and-play system, 100% hands-free, no selling, and no recruiting. So, how do you join us? Well, currently we are in pre-launch, and the price to secure your founder's position is in the corporate structure is $97 US plus a $5 administration fee. There are various options to pay. However, the easiest and fastest way is to use your credit or debit card from the bank. If you see the value and feel the vision of Onpassive, we urge you to join us at your earliest convenience. But why? Because as I mentioned earlier, there are between 2,000 and 3,000 founders joining us daily. Do you want to come in before them or come in after them? This does not mean that these founders will be placed under you, but it does mean that you will be date and time stamped before them, which might bring in additional surprises in our future. When we start soft launch in the near future, there will be marketing campaigns that will use the AI and ML artificial intelligence, and machine learning technologies to bring founders into Onpassive. These are founders actively looking for the types of products that we have. And these same marketing campaigns will continue post-launch for our founders, bringing in new customers. This is part of the 100% done for you example of this company that Onpassive promises to do by building a stream of residual income for each founder. Founders' positions will not be available from the time we launch to the world when it's our hard launch. However, we have also been told by our CEO that once he is ready to move forward from soft launch to the global, which is also the hard launch, that the window of opportunity to get in as a founder might be very small. Also, as we prepare to go from pre-launch, which is now, to soft launch, the founder's fee may go up, or it may stay the same. We just don't know at this point. Once you secure your founder's position, you need to know that there is one more out-of-pocket payment that will be required by you. And this is to activate your business with Onpassive for all that's been said this evening, and so much more. It's approximately $250 per person for each founder's position that you purchase. The joy about this company is that we, as founders, can purchase as many as we would like to. Just simply use a different email address for each one that you want. All subsequent monthly payments to Onpassive will then be paid out of the commissions that you earn from the customers that are placed under you and into your Onpassive business by the company. We are making history. Join us now as a founder, or join us after we launch as a customer. It is your choice. But when we launch globally, this will be the close. We will be close to 1 million customers created instantly. Have you ever heard of this before? Ever in any industry? Can you imagine if you have a product to sell that you will automatically have a potential 1 million customers to market to? Can you imagine if you have a cause or a charity that you can automatically showcase to a potential 1 million to assist you? Can you imagine this? It's mind-boggling and incredibly exciting. In moving forward in today's world, you need to have a successful business online, whether it be physical or offline. You will have every product, tool, and service through your Onpassive membership. You'll be able to build wealth. You will earn a residual income. You'll create a legacy for your family and a dynasty for your heirs. So please ask the person who invited you here this evening for their registration link, and they will happily walk you through the process to pay and sign the NDA, the non-disclosure agreement, so you can join us on the next Founders Only meeting with our CEO to hear firsthand all the exciting news and the updates. Thank you for joining us this evening. We know your time is valuable, and we really do appreciate you being with us.